Oh no.
in there. So listen, it's not getting the hair back from your head. Pull it down. Oops.
Oops.
Pull it down. Pull your hair back.
That's what I did.
I know, but keep it.
I did all of
There we go.
That's it.
I already did that.
Sorry, it was not keeping the hair out from your head.
Did you use a tight strainer, is that? I'm open.
It said to use a really tight strainer
That's
to
it.
try and get all the water out and hit it down with a spoon.
I love that strainer. A lot.
And it actually says to dry it out more in a towel, but it's a different consistency than when I blended mine.
My little animal was
This
trying
kind
to
of rice
bite
it. This is
me.
definitely more pureed.
Hey, little pillow fella.
Okay, Rosie, that's good. Oh, cute. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Yes,
Why don't you
yes,
just give her a little kiss?
Rosemary, how'd you get to be such a cutie patootie?
There she goes. She is
I
kissing.
think
That's
she
what
has
she's
a little
doing.
butter up her nose.